Oh, look at the shifts. So quick, so precise, so magical, so menacing, insane acceleration. So hi there guys, this is the Kodiaq 2025 powered by the 2-liter TSI EVO 2 engine, 204 PS, 320 Newton meters torque, 7-speed DSG. I've already given you an overview of this beautiful, luxurious automobile crafted to perfection. And now we're going to strap on, drive it to our heart's content. And let's see what kind of a driving experience this has on offer. I'm driving this back to back. Just drove the Tiguan R line, put it into sports mode, let go of the parking brake, reduce the fan speed, off we go. It's an overcast, rainy day here in, oh boy, automatic headlamps, rain sensing wipers, lightning and thunder all over. The Kodiaq is rock solid. What a rush and what a feeling. This thing is built like a fortress. It's built like a fortress. Trust me, we have different views to play around with. We have this and this. Okay, I think this is the best one. Steering calibration is bang on. 18-inch wheels. The Tiguan R line gets 19 inches. This one is a 7-seater. That's a 5-seater. This one does get ventilated seats as well. It's not very apparent, but you do get it. And dual zone climate control. These dials are amazing in terms of usability and practicality. And 13-inch screen, that one gets a 15-inch screen. But oh boy, the engine is a gem, absolute gem. Oh man, what a rush. At the end of a hectic day, you're driving through the ORR or the highway or the freeway, you unleash the beast, letting go of all the frustration that you had to contain through the course of the day. The mood lighting also lifts your mood and takes you to a different dimension altogether. Just look at the dash and the way the entire dash is laid out. It's just absolutely pulsating. So let me give you a glimpse of the mood lighting here. I think it's in red. If I can, yeah. What do you guys think? Ain't it beautiful? This is top notch. And who cares about all the bells and whistles when you have an absolute enthusiast delight? A beautiful powertrain mated to the perfect transmission, and what follows is sheer bliss. So we're going to just turn around here carefully. The shifter is more like that of Mercedes. We are in sport mode. I'll just switch to manual in a moment and let's see whether it shifts on its own. Zero body roll. I mean, though this one has higher ground clearance compared to the Tiguan, oh boy, shifts at 6,000 RPM, holds the gear till your hair rises up with pure adrenaline. Oh man, drop the anchor. The brakes are brilliant. The tires offer supreme road grip. Yeah, this one gets around 192 mm of ground clearance, to support the off-roading demeanor. The Tiguan R-Line is more track-focused SUV. It's a sports SUV. This one is primarily a luxurious off-road and on-road capable, monster machine with a tried and tested powertrain that gives you goosebumps each time you step on the gas. Oh man. Oh, look at the shifts. So quick, so precise, so magical, so menacing. Insane acceleration, intense acceleration. Oh boy, I'm loving every moment of this. Drop the anchor. In manual mode, the rev matching and the shifts are so precise, so damn good. So let's put it into drive mode and chill. Now, yeah, the seating comfort is right on point. Steering calibration is beautifully done. The aircon vents do their job judiciously. The view is really good and satisfying. All-round cabin visibility is so good. You don't need to rely on cameras. Yeah, talking about the camera, the only gripe I have is the parking. As you can see, this is the park assist. Okay, who needs a park assist these days? All the cameras and the sensors do the job for you. You should not get too lazy to allowing the car to park itself. But look at this. The resolution is decent enough, but we have seen better quality cameras with crisp, vivid displays and higher resolution. So that is kind of disappointing for a car that's nearly 50 lakhs that you're having to compromise for the rear view camera. This is not a 360-degree camera either. Of proper 360. I mean, you don't get a 3D view. You do get a 2D view, front and rear, and the sideways. But again, you get a top view if you're tapping on the car. But it's not a comprehensive 3D camera like we get in a car that's nearly half the price. So that is one thing that kind of feels a little saddening. But apart from that, when it comes to driving pleasure, fit and finish, build quality, a few clever updates like the door protectors that come out and retract themselves, all these highlight the practical brilliance that Skoda incorporate into their SUVs. This one enjoys a cult following unlike any other, and this one has to or had to step up to satisfy those Kodiaq fanboys out there. I know a few Kodiaq fans who own a Kodiaq, but still were looking forward to the upgrade very eagerly, and I hope they are happy at the end of it all. One guy has a tuned Kodiaq, so he loves the car, and I love the theme, the brown kind of leather theme onto the dash, again combined with this grey color texture. It's all magical, it's all premium, it's all upmarket. And let's see the steering. Okay, we just lock to see how well it turns. You have precise shifters, soft touch feel to the steering wheel. It's all very satisfying. Massive sunroof. Let's see how the sunroof works. Open sunroof.
Oh, that's something I still need to learn.
No, so you can't open sunroof. Okay. Increase fan speed.
Got it. Increasing blower power.
Okay, that's good. Decrease fan speed.
Okay, it will get quieter shortly.
So this kind of voice assistant reminds us of Alfred from Batman series. Alfred, loyal caretaker of Bruce Wayne for the Wayne family. So that's a different take at voice assistant. But apart from that, I kind of let's just put it to neutral. First thing, always remember automatic cars, the moment you come to a standstill, switch to neutral, turn on the parking brake. This is something you need to acclimatize to and train your subconscious to. The blowers are well done, your center locking, automatic wipers and automatic headlamps, all the luxury features are taken care of. Canton speakers, again, superbly done, tuned, fine tuned to the max, 6-band graphic equalizer. So that's well sorted for all the audiophiles and music lovers like me. The steering has a good feel. Paddle shifters shift with utmost precision, so that's very satisfying. Road holding capability is amazing. Cornering stability is again very surprising to see. A very minimal body roll being felt by the passengers or the driver. Driver can't felt any, like I didn't feel anything, so only minimal amount of body roll can be felt even while you're cornering hard. Apart from that, everything is bang on. I love the display. I love the way the car looks on the outside as well as, it looks far more imposing now on the outside with the more prominent grille, so more imposing stance, more invasive and intimidating kind of stance. So that's pretty much it. This concludes a quick drive impression of the 2025 Kodiaq. If you'd like to see more POV drive reviews of these amazing machines, please do subscribe, because this is a solo creator channel, a full-time YouTuber. It's your support that drives me. I've been doing this judiciously for last 10 years. It's not easy. 2,700 videos, almost 100 lakh minutes of watch time being watched already. 100 lakh minutes of watch time already being watched on our channel. So please do support a sincere solo creator. That really helps a lot. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Until then, take care, God bless, and drive safe.